So I am Martina Rueda. I am the psychology teacher for year 12 and 13, and right now we are studying biological psychology. So because of that, we are gonna do this activity. So in today's lesson, we are gonna do a dissection of the brain, and we are gonna study both the structure. We are gonna identify the structure of the main part of the brain, as well as the function of each of them. Why do we need to learn that in biological psychology? Well, because this is really important for us to understand like the main mechanism underlying human behavior, and we are gonna focus more specifically in how to understand aggressive behavior. So we are gonna focus in both the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. So today we are gonna see a proper brain, and we are gonna do the dissection of it. The cerebellum, that is this complete thing here. Main function of it?
Coordinates.
Balance. What else?
Coordinate muscle memory.
Motor functions.
Motor memory. And it coordinates movements also.